If you're trying to figure out how to use Blush AI, here's the easiest way to get started without overthinking anything. First, make sure your account is set up properly because some features like advanced conversations or saved chats might only appear if your subscription covers them. Once you're inside the app, you'll see different characters or personas you can interact with. Pick one and open a chat to start the simulation. From there, just talk normally. Blush is designed to respond in a way that feels natural, and the more context you give, the better it understands you. Look around the chat screen for options like changing the character's personality, adjusting the tone, or unlocking deeper scenarios. These are usually found in a small menu or settings icon. If you want to switch characters or create a new scenario, go back to your main dashboard and pick another persona. And one quick tip: check your preferences or settings occasionally because Blush often hides useful features like conversation history control, safety settings, or customization options. That's the simplest way to get comfortable using Blush AI as your dating simulator. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.